Hey, how's it going guys? It's Yudi here and thank you for clicking on this video. So before we begin, do me one favor. Give this video a like by hitting the like button. That will really help with the YouTube algorithm so more people will get to see this video. So this is the Zealot T3 wireless AirPods. Now before I got this, I did a search for a review on YouTube but there was none. So I was thinking, is it that bad that no one wants to buy it? But I got it and it's pretty good, but it's not perfect. So in this video, I'm going to be going through everything about the Zealot T3 and find out if you should buy it. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. I have chapters of this video as table of contents in the description below, so you can skip to any part of the video you'd like. Now let's start with the build quality. The Zealot T3 is built quite well and they don't feel too cheap. It's available in 3 other colors, that's blue, pink and white. I really like the design and it can stand on its own thanks to the flat bottom design. I also really like the design of the earbuds themselves. They look really cool and I like how short they are. If you look closely at the case or the earbuds themselves, they are actually transparent and you can kind of see some of the components inside, which looks really cool. Now I'm going to do this review a bit differently. It's going to be divided into 2 parts, what I don't like and what I like about the Zealot T3 AirPods. So let's start with what I don't like about the AirPods. So first, the glossy finish on the AirPods, I don't like it. I've had it for about a month now and you can see the number of scratches on it. It's terrible. I would have loved it if it had a matte finish or even if it was just simple plastic. It would have been way better than having a glossy plastic. Now this is the Impulse 12 TWS AirPods clones. I've had them for about 9 months now and because it doesn't have a glossy finish, it's matte finish, it still looks pretty good. But sadly the matte finish is the only good thing about the Impulse 12. Battery life is bad, sound quality bad, Bluetooth connectivity bad. And if you don't believe me, you can check out my friend's review of the Impulse 12, that's T Develops. The link of his video would be in the description below. The second thing is comfort, the comfort of the earbuds. They are actually quite comfortable in the ears, but that's until you start to work out. They will slip out of your ears because of the sweat. But if you are just walking, listening to music, or maybe you're at work or at school, just sitting down watching the video or listening to music, these are fine. They stay snug in your ears. So don't take them to the gym or anything that will make you sweat. Now the third thing I don't like about the Zealot T3 earbuds is the LEDs. They are so unnecessary. Every time you close the case, all the LEDs turn on and they will turn off automatically, but still, the Zealot T3 has so much battery life to spare, which brings me to the next part of this video, the things I like about the Zealot T3. So first, battery life. The Zealot T3 was able to last for about 5 hours with the volume at 60%, which is awesome. And it can be charged up to 3 times more with the case using these points, making a total of 16 hours of battery life. It takes about 1 hour 45 minutes to charge the case from 0 to 100% using the USB Type-C port. The $12 earbuds using a USB Type-C port. Nice. Now the second thing, sound quality. The sound quality is also pretty good. I did compare it with what I think is the best budget wireless earbuds in the market right now, the Oraimo FreePods 2. And the FreePods 2 has a little bit more bass and more clarity. But that should be expected since it costs double the price of the Zealot T3. But hey, the Zealot T3 can stand on its own and it has a USB Type-C port unlike micro USB on the FreePods 2. The touch controls also work quite well, so you double tap on either side of the AirPods to play or pause your music. Now one tap will answer a call and you double tap to reject a call. Here's what it will sound like if you're using the Zealot T3 to make a call.
This call is now being recorded.
Hey guys, so this is me using the Zealot T3 to make a call. They are my ears right now and this is basically how it will sound if you're using them to make a call. So let me know what you think of the audio quality in the comment section down below.
Call recording has now ended.
So to turn on the Zealot T3, simply hold down the touch control for about 3 seconds and then it will turn on. The light will start blinking, meaning it's ready to connect your device. So to turn it off, simply do the same thing, hold down the touch controls for about 3 seconds and it will turn off. So to pair the Zealot T3 to your mobile phone, simply take the AirPods out of the case and a green LED will start blinking. So now go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and look for Zealot T3 and connect to it. When it's connected, the green LED on the AirPods will stop blinking and you're done. The Zealot T3 is really good, and for a price of just $12, Zealot really focus on just the right aspects. Battery life, check. Sound quality, check. Comfort, check. As long as you are not working out. Do tell me what you like most about the Zealot T3 in the comments below. Or do you consider the Zealot T3 as your next AirPods? Let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. My name is Zidi, this is Zidi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching and you'll see me in my next video.